Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. This is my fourth video and in this video I'll show you how to install Kali Linux operating system in your machine. So for installation you need a Kali Linux bootable USB. And if you don't know how to make your USB bootable, then watch my previous video, link available in description. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel techyrators and do hit the bell icon to get all updates on my channel. And don't forget to click the like button if you like my video. So let's get started. So connect your Kali Linux bootable USB and start your system. And after the screen flashes, press F12 for going to the boot menu. The keys to go for the boot menu is different for different systems. So after the blue screen flashes, you have to select the USB. Enter. You have to select by the keys. You don't use mouse there. And after the blue screen flashes, you have to choose the right option. If you want to run Kali Linux live, you can choose it live. And if you want to install, you have to click the install option. So we are here to install the Kali Linux in your machine. So just select install and enter. Choose the language of your choice and enter United States. Key map to use in American English. Now wait for the processing as it is loading additional components. It takes 10 more seconds to complete. It is completed now. So attempting IPv6 configuration, configuring the network with DHCP. So network auto configuration is completed. So you have to select the hostname. You can write your hostname of your choice and just select continue. If you have domain name, write it. If you don't, just continue. Now type the password you want to set and continue. Re-enter your password and just continue. Select the time zone. Now you have to create a partition. You can choose guided and use entire disk. This will create your entire disk as a single partition and use it. And you can use guided, use entire disk and set up LVM. So you can use entire disk as a single partition with divided by LVM. But in here we can creating a manual partition. So to create a manual partition of your choice, just enter manual and select your disk. There is 21.5 GB, so enter. Create empty partition table on this device. Yes. Just select the space, create new partition. I am creating 15 GB partition. Choose the size and continue. Primary partition, beginning, and just mount point is slash. Now done setting up this partition. Now select the free space, enter. You have to create a swap partition. Now create new partition. I am creating a 1 GB swap partition. Continue. Primary, beginning, use as swap area. Done setting up partition. Finish partition and write changes to disk. Yes. Now installing the system. It will start installing. After that, you have to select some options and your installation is completed. So wait until the process is complete. Now the installation is completed and you have to use or select the network mirror. So if you don't have a network mirror, then just select no. After selecting no, there's installation of grub bootloader starting. So wait until it is finished. Now we have an option to install the grub bootloader to the master boot record. So just say yes. For bootloader installation, just select the device and enter, and wait for the installation to complete. Now the installation is completed, so just select continue and enter. Finishing the installation. Now the processing is complete. Now the system is requesting to reboot. So after the reboot, you can use your Kali Linux operating system in your machine. Now the machine is restarting or rebooting. So you have to wait to choose the options. Just wait until the system is rebooting. These are the logs that coming in the screen. Wait for a second. Now the gray screen comes and you have to write your username. So your username is root, ROOT, and then enter. And now you have to write your password that you selected before. So I'm writing my password. Enter. After you enter the password, your machine will be started and you can use it for what you want. So your machine is started, and if you want to do another thing and you don't know how to do in the Linux, then I'll help you with that. So watch my upcoming videos. So I'm giving a full tutorial of Linux for you. So for now, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video. Now bye bye.